Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand DAG, Directed Acyclic Graph, right? In a very high level, that is required for Apache Airflow. We don't go in depth into the DAG, but as I said, which is required for Apache Airflow. So we'll talk a little bit about DAG, right? So when you talk about most of the framework, right, especially maybe this ETL pipeline, ETL frameworks, or big data frameworks, they mostly use DAG. When you talk about Spark, the widely used big data framework, right, all the execution engine, like reading the data, doing some transformation, writing the data into the source system, all those things internally Spark will create a DAG, right? So we'll take a small example of DAG and we'll just try to understand by it. So this, if you see here, so I have a plus b into d plus b, right? That I can convert like this, where t1 equal to a plus b and t2 equal to d plus c, where t3 my final result, which is equal to t1 into t2. If you ask me to convert this into a DAG, this is how I do it, right? Where if you see T3 is my final result, which is the multiplication of T1 and T2, right? If you see T3, which is my root node, which is the multiplication, right, of T1, which is the sum of A plus B, and T2, which is the sum of D plus C. This is a simple DAG, right? Now if you see, right, in DAG, there is no one way. You have two different ways to finish these graphs, right? And there is no way that you can go back, traverse back. In DAG, there's one direction, one way. There's no point that you can go back. That's why it is called acyclic graph, right? Now you can ask me, hey Teja, you told me DAG is used in many ETL workflow pipelines. It will be used in most of the big data systems. How can I use it in Airflow? Simple. DAG is the one which is used to create the workflows. We know Apache Airflow is a workflow management tool for ETL pipelines, right? And DAG is the one which is used to create the workflows. If you see simple example here, check if file exists. If exists, read the data and then apply some transformation and write the transform data into the any source system. This is typically a DAG, right, in Apache Airflow. Don't worry, it is very straightforward to create DAGs in Apache Airflow. Anyways, we are going to see that in our upcoming videos. So hope you understand what is DAG and the importance of DAGs, right? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.